Okay, here's another example of subnetting where we're starting with a private class C 192.168.3, and we're starting with this class C, which is a /24, and we're going to break it up into /28s. Okay, so first thing I do when I see this /28, I go 32 minus 28 is 4, and so my value of H is 4. I can also go 24 plus 4 is 28, so that's my number of subnet bits. And so what we're doing is we're breaking the last octet into two pieces here. I'm starting with n is equal to 24 with 8, 8, and 8 bits. And then the last octet is going to be broken into 4 subnet bits and 4 host bits. Okay, and that's going to give us 16 subnets and 16 IP addresses per subnet. And so our increment is 16 here as I make the list of subnet IDs, and if you count by 16s and try to go all the way up to 256, you'll get 16 of them, not counting the one that lands you on 256. Add 1 to get the first hops, subtract 1 from the next subnet to get the broadcast of the previous, and subtract 1 again to get the last IP. And I think I did this in Excel. Once you get the pattern going, you can just copy down and it fills them all in. Okay, this one wants us to write out the subnet mask in dotted decimal notation. And when I look at this /28, I think to myself 4 and 4, and I think to myself the 4 place, I need 4 ones here and then 4 zeros there. And the 4 placeholders are 128, 64, 32, and 16. And so I have a 256. I don't have a 256. I have a 255.255.255 dot. And then here I want 4 in the last byte. I want this. So I will have a 128 plus a 64 plus 32 plus 16. And this gives us a 192, a 224, and finally a 240. Okay, that's one of the numbers to remember. So there's our mask in dotted decimal notation. Okay, so I hope that helps on this problem.